было, я ее только заметил. Ну так а что ты капюшон насунул так? Пол Армагеддона, да?
They come from everywhere to take the challenge.
Great balls of fire.
My eyes adored you. That's it.
Do that to me one more time. Yeah. Tonight's the night.
Yes, ma'am. And if they can name it, they can claim it.
Road 66.
$1,000 bill with Grover Cleveland. There it is, right there. How sweet it is.
Jeepers creepers.
You got it. It's big money, high hopes, near misses, and love and kisses.
Shake, rattle, and roll.
Yes, sir. So join host Tom Kennedy tonight at 7:30 and name that tune.
Well, if you ever plan to motor west, travel my way, take the highway, that's the best. Get your kicks on Route 66. Well, it winds from Chicago to LA, off 2,000 miles all the way. Get your kicks on Route 66. Well, it goes to St. Louis, down to Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty, you'll see. Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico, Flagstaff, Arizona, don't forget Winona, Kingman, Boston, San Bernardino. You get hip to this kind of tip and go take that California trip. Get your kicks on Route 66. Well, it goes to St. Louis, down to Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
Take an act of Congress. All registration is it gives them a pool of names to select from in case there is a national emergency. I'm just trying to tell you like it is. Male citizens and aliens residing in the United States born in 60, 61, and 62 have a responsibility to register and to keep Selective Service advised of any change of address. So do it at any U.S. post office. Hey, thank you.
You'll see Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico, Flagstaff, Arizona, don't forget Winona, Kingman, Boston, San Bernardino. You get hip to this kind of tip and go take that California trip.
А, ну это только взвешивание здесь будет, да? И бои?
Ну, ринг стоит.
Ну и что? Так тут же народу ни хрена не влезет на республику. Что это за республика с одним рингом?
Ой, тошнит.
А для мальчиков где?
Нет, иди, для мальчиков нет, иди вон туда.
время в 65. Все время в 65 дерешься. Гоняешь все время. Так, что за группа приехала?
My soul straight down out of the world, but my fingers holding on to the devil. I know all my troubles are hanging your trigger. Take your eyes and your mind from the road. Shoot your mouth if you know you're aiming. Don't forget to pick up what you sow. Talking trash to the garbage around you. Snakes and bones in the back of your room, handing out a confection of venom. Heaven's drunk with the poison you use, charm the wolves with the eyes of a gambler. Now I see it's a comfort to you. Hammer my bones in the anvil of daylight.